This little hair will not cooperate. We're gonna pretend like that little hair is not trying to like show out right now because it just will not slick itself down and it's driving me crazy. Tell me I know I'm super. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola, and in case that you're new here, I make videos that are beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related. If you are new, I hope that you won't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you're notified whenever I post new videos. So for today's video, I wanted to do this really pretty, like rose goldy. You guys know I'm a little bit obsessed with rose gold, but it's like pinkish, goldish kind of beat. I just wanted something simple to do, and I wanted to use just one brand, like one palette, because I noticed lately when I've just been getting ready off camera, I will use like 3 or 4 different palettes to get different colors from, but I decided to go ahead and do just one palette this time, and this is the look that I came up with. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, stay tuned. So I'm starting off using the Pearlessence Rose Water. I just like to give this on my face for a nice little moisturizing bit. And I actually got this brow pencil in my BoxyCharm. It's the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. And I really like it. Then I'm just going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. And I use this to both clean up my brows and as a primer for my eyeshadows. Or like a base. By the way, this is light medium. Now for the fun part. This is the Beautē Grandiose palette, and look how gorgeous these colors are. So I'm starting off with putting cinnamon right in my crease. You're going to see me blend it out, and you're going to be doing a whole lot of blending with this look to make sure it looks flawless. Well, with any look really, but you know what I mean. And then I'm going to go in with rose, and I'm just going to put this right on the center of my lower lid, or at least that's where the focus is going to be. And then what I'm going to do is, once I've packed on the color where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and any excess, I'm just going to go ahead and blend right on into that crease. Again, I'm just trying to make it a flawless, seamless look. Now I'm going in with Poppy, which is this beautiful like burgundy color. And I'm going to do my outer V of my lower lid. I hope I didn't lose you with that. But just to add some depth to the look. And then with the color Myrtle, which is this pretty like bronzy, rosy bronze color, I'm going to go ahead right into my inner corner of my lid. So I'm just going to go in next with my Essence eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to go ahead and line the top of, or my top lash line, not a wing, just lining the top. And then I'm going to pop on the Cherry Blossom Wispy lashes with the dual adhesive. Hold on. Alright, now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go in with the Starlet eyeliner in black and just do my waterline, and then prime my face with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. Now I'm going to go in with the Tarteist mascara, and I'm just using this to blend my falsies to my actual lashes. I like to put this on and whatever, I'll just clean my lashes afterwards. And for foundation, I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in Cappuccino. I like that you can kind of really build this up and make it as light or as like deep as you want it. And I'm just pouncing that into my skin with the Real Techniques makeup sponge. Look at how flawless this makes my skin look. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Ulta Concealer. This is in Deep Warm. And just kind of, you know, do my concealing magic. Oh, I'm pretty sure I've talked about this over and over again, but if you don't have the e.l.f. concealer brush, what are you doing? Go get it. Look at my face right now. Now I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Matte About It setting powder, and just kind of set everywhere that I have put concealer. And with the Pure Bronze Brighten palette, we're going to go in with the bronzer color. I think it's called Mineral Glow. And just kind of, you know, contour my face. My nose, of course, needs to be contoured as well. And, you know, just the rest of my face. Then I'm going to go back in with cinnamon and just do my lower lash line, and with the mascara do my lower lashes. Now look at how pretty this blush is. This is from the same palette and it's called Blush and Glow. Look at how pretty this is on my complexion. I freaking love it. And then the Artist Couture Illuminati highlighter. You guys see, I'm like freaking out about it. It's so good. Look at this. It is so good. This is the Diamond Glow Powder and Illuminati, by the way. I don't know if I just said that, but I'm pretty sure I did. Now I'm going to do my lips with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner. This is in Deeply Intoxicated or 03. And the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip. This is in the color Nude Thrill. And I just go back and forth and kind of blend it in by just smushing my lips together. You know, you could use a lip brush, but this works just fine. And then this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I freaking love it. Just love it. Now I'm going to set everything with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And voila, magic. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see anything specific, or if you like this video or not, or if you felt like I could have did something differently. Let's start a conversation down in the comments. Also, I'm putting all my social media links in the description box. Make sure you go follow me on all of those. Let's be friends. And, you know, share this video with your friends. Maybe they will find something in it that will really motivate them to snatch their face. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.